Good morning and welcome another project to the ranch. Yeah, you are seeing correctly. We have an IMT 539 Deluxe made in Yugoslavia. Um, uh, we will discover together what it's going to take to get this 39 horsepower diesel tractor to run again. We got some custom things and we got some standard factory things on here. We got missing lights. We got an old toolbox that I can use electrolysis to clean up. We got a seat that needs to be redone. There's so much. So this will be a fun project. All tires hold air. That was a big thing because we had to get this sucker on and off that trailer over there. Yeah. So let me know what you think. I'm excited for the future work that we have. Here's the alternator. Here's the starter. Here's the starter solenoid. Here's the primer for the diesel. If you don't know. Yeah, and here's the little bowl. Here's the air cleaner. So the air filter goes here. This is a breather. So this breathes fresh air down into the air filter. We've got some hydraulic pistons for power steering. This thing is no joke, super serious. We've got a filter down here. We got so many things to take care of to get this thing going in tip-top shape. We got gear levers, old rubber that I want to protect those. We got some rust everywhere falling off of the seat. We're gonna have to clean that up. We got PTO and hydraulics control here. There's so much involved, and we are going to have so much fun. Let's take a step back. Oh, this is gonna be so good. The ignition needs work. The ignition switch. So yeah, let me know what you think. Stay tuned. More to come. I'm not sure what year this is yet, though. We'll find out soon. Stay tuned to the channel.